Meet Lumin. We make ordinary circuits smart, which makes any home responsive to today's increasingly complex energy systems. The Lumin energy management platform attaches to any circuit breaker panel, giving you virtual control over all the major circuits in your home. And that's just the beginning. When combined with solar and energy storage, Lumin transforms your home into an intelligent microgrid, capable of responding to outages, electricity pricing, your preferences, and more. Why is responsive energy management important? So you can back up your whole house and have access to stored energy when you need it. Lumin is intelligent, predicting and planning for your energy use needs during an outage. Lumin keeps an eye on your battery and automates your energy use, which protects it from tripping or being depleted too quickly. Lumin also makes it easier to expand your storage system if your needs change. Lumin is on standby and ready for an outage, and our homeowners are too. Ready to do laundry, cook dinner, or get the kids bathed and in bed. Simply put, Lumin automates complex home energy systems and keeps life at home flowing smoothly, even if power from the grid is not.